Welcome to the Lupo Markets demo. We're going to take a look at the sweep engine, the institutional sweep engine on the M30. You're taking a look at an actual screenshot of what we're going to show you. This is based from the 2025 data. That's a back test that you're looking at now. We're going to cover how does it work. We're going to cover the mechanics of it at the high level, then a detail level. Then we'll actually take a look at a real back test and do a dissection of how the CBOT makes these decisions, manages money, and then what happens when the market turns against it. How does it manage risk and stop losses? So welcome aboard for this, for the Lupo Sweep Engine. We hope you enjoy the ride. Okay, so we're driving down into some of the details. This framework functions as a self-contained institutional liquidity hunting engine. It's designed to catch discount entries on gold, moving average. So we have it currently configured for a 40-day. It could be a 50-day. The session control itself, remember that's daily. The M30 is the actual time frame of the engine. The session control is gated to active hours, so it's capturing high momentum moves through the London session in New York, avoiding the low volume Asian drift. Now, zone definition, here we go to our next target. This one is key because the zone definition, the engine scanning, it's looking for key lows and key highs within a range, requiring a certain number of bars and gaps them together to validate historical significance. Quite a bit of the proprietary engine is there. I won't go into any more detail. Number 3 is the sweep itself. So buy trigger A, that's the liquidity sweep. That's here. This is the default execution. The buy logic is this. Institutional stop losses typically pull right beneath structural swing points. The bot waits for a sudden candle wick, to flush out sellers and also stop losses. The moment a live tick is below the zone, the bot classifies this as a stop hunt sweep, and it immediately fires a market buy into the sweeping pressure, hoping for rapid returns or a snapback, if you will. And so the cool down guard you will see underneath here is after a buy is made, after a sweep has been executed, whether it's a retest or the sweep signal itself, the CBOT will wait for 8 consecutive bars before it tries to buy again if the signal failed. That way you will avoid buying into a cascading downtrend. Okay, and here's the moment we've been waiting for. And this is a live backtest demo. Let's take a look at classic example. This is the buy retest trigger that was made. You can see the support zones and the sweep zones live. Here in the demo, the stop loss. And as we go forward, let's back this out a little bit, get a little better view. And another sweep took place. You can see that again with the zones. And a second sweep also took place. And now, here and here, you can see the lots, stop losses right underneath the market. And we're off and running. Another sweep has taken place. Let's see, where's the take profits are up here. Includes the segment on the live demo for the Lupo sweep structure engine and the mechanics at both the high level and the detail level. I hope you got something out of that, and we thank you very much for your time. If you have any questions and would like to request access, please fill out the request access form. There's a link for it right underneath these videos here on the homepage of lupomarkets.com. Thank you again for your time and consideration. Shalom.